Hello, everyone. Uh, my name is ChongWei, and you can call me Mar. It's my honor and privilege to be here. I'm a Zob user since 2002, and a Plone user since 2004. Then I start contributing to Plone project since 2007. This is my first Plone conference, finally. I'm not a Plone developer. I start contributing by translation, then running quick tutorial with friends way back when. I maintain the traditional Chinese translation work, which is one of the tier 1 providers, something I can be proud of. And hopefully, my translation work will provide the same level of good quality. Of course, I'm also a Python and open source fan, just like all the attendees here. Okay, here is the advertisement time. We run PyCon Taiwan since 2012. Attendee number is 700, hitting the limits of our venue's capabilities. And here are some photo slides, hopefully make you better feel the event. PyCon Taiwan is run by volunteers. The volunteers team size is almost 40 people. Basically, this is a 3-day event. 3 days for conference talks, and extra days for tutorial and sprints. Okay. So we have also pilot the events. And this youngest speaker so far from Hong Kong. And my daddy told me Python is awesome, so here I am. PyCon is also couple friendly. Okay. Let's go back. And for the PyCon Taiwan 2019, the venue will be Sinica, at the Academia Sinica. The day is planned to be on late September. I have heard PyCon JP, Korea, Malaysia use the same day. It's autumn, so it's a busy conference season. Anyway, hope to see you in Taipei. Okay, here's a story way back to the year 2009. Let's see the video. In 2009, we ran an event asking 3 CMS teams to build website from scratch according to the requirements to meet 3 NGOs' needs. Okay. When back when that Manabu-san lead his team to Taipei to join our event. Okay. So it's an event from the Plone and Drupal and Joomla. And this guy says, Drupal got to win this contest. Okay. These are final things. We run this event for the NGO websites. And 10 years after, the CMS world has changed a lot, but the sense of community remains the same. By community, I mean not only for the developer activities, but also company, business, government, and nonprofit organizations projects. I mean, we need developer, power user, normal user, people who do promotion work, and all kinds of contributions to maintain a healthy ecosystem. By the way, I'm also a rock and roll fan. This event made me feel like attending a rock concert because all the community leaders, to me, they are rock stars. And thank you, community leaders, for the contribution and the great work. Grateful from my heart. Okay, now here's some words for the non-programmers like me, or for the programmer wannabe newcomers, how to utilize the resources available from the Plone community. Forum or documentation are important and essential to keep the community rolling. Remember to check from time to time these URL resources. They are useful to newcomers. And by integrators, I mean at least 3 scenarios that requires different level of skills. Number one, simply using package maintained by Plone code team that requires as little dependence as possible. Running a portal site or intranet knowledge base might fit into this scenario. The best part is that you don't have to worry about the migration. Number two, using Plone and extra add-ons, the bottom line is you rely on a package developer to keep up to date. Otherwise, your site will get too old and difficult to migrate. The number three, integration with APIs, especially RESTful APIs. So something like in this case, you might need to learn something new from the framework level instead of doing migrations. And here's my experience sharing. Coding aside, there will be still so much you can contribute. I just named a few. I believe you will find more ways to connect the dots. And to be specific, I pay for a developer, not much low, to test and fix issues from the collective GEO packages, which is play an important role in my projects. In my research center, they do social science research using GIS software, taking care of the geospatial data. And faster navigation is another essential package in my projects. It might be useful to your projects too. For those who don't know what fast navigation is, let's see how it works. Okay, from the left side, you can see filter criteria widgets. For example, to filter by content type, you can choose this here. And here's a tech cloud options. After all the options decided, and then you can see the result from the center area. This is a very basic and essential functionality in Plone. Okay, so it's another my experience is to set a deadline for a milestone, then we can make progress. That's how last-minute productivity works. And I believe Plone conference apply the same rules. So why we have many releases these days, this week. And nowadays, we can hardly do web development without integrating the front-end work. At least for me, it's a challenge for the project need to co-work with JavaScript codes. I'm happy to see progress like a Voto training yesterday, and I believe the Plone community keep evolving into the future. In short, to be part of the community, discuss everything as you can, use Plone everywhere applicable, and contribute whenever possible. Okay, this is the quote from the rock band lyrics. I would like to change the world, but I don't know what to do. So I will join the community. So let's keep the community rolling. Okay, this is my talk. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Are there any questions from the audience at this point?
So does your company work with any other CMSs, or has some of your developers had experience with other CMSs, and how does it compare, do you think?
Okay. I just left my institute last month, and the research center doing social science research, and now my company is using Plone as the backend, and some JavaScript work done by my coworkers. So that's how we doing the projects for our clients. Yeah. It's about to integrating everything available for the client's needs. For example, some mobile app need to communicate to the back end. We are using Plone. or Odoo, something like that, to provide data and display the user interface. I think Plone is much better than other options in our case. Any other questions?
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.